Hey everyone, another day exploring these ancient woods. Never know what mysteries I'll find out here. Whoa, these aren't like any mushrooms I've seen before, and they're actually glowing. Tastes earthy, but there's something different about these. Whoa, everything looks so vibrant. The colors are incredible. I feel like the forest is calling me somewhere special. Gotta follow this feeling. Oh my, this is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. How did I never know this was here? This place, it's like paradise. I could stay here forever just listening to the water sing. What an incredible adventure those little mushrooms led me on. Sometimes the forest has some